Good morning everyone. Again, I'm Maranan from BSIE 2204. I will be doing our next activity in computer-aided design. So first, in order to create our figure, let's first create circles. Just click here, circle, and then choose and click center diameter. And then type 2.88 as diameter. Again, click circle. And the next is the diameter 1.30. Enter. Next is that we will create a line. So type L, enter. Specify the first point in the center point of the circle. And type 1.5 or let's say 1.49. Enter. And then to the right, type 2.62 its length. Okay, and then we will create the two circles. Just click here again, center diameter. Click on this end point, and then type 0.75. Okay, again, set the circle again with the diameter of 1.88. So next is create a line on this end point to the right with the length of So the next thing we are going to do is create a line. So simply type L, then press enter. And then starting from the center circle to the right, then type 5.26, which is its length. Enter. And then create a line upward with a length of 1.52. And then next we'll create a line to the right, type 3.62 its length, and then 1.26. Just create so just connect up to this line. The next thing we're going to do is type F for fillet, and then type R for the radius, then 0.12. Select first line or the first object, then select the next line. Again, type L for fillet, R, and then 0.12, which is its radius. Then press enter. So click this line and this line. Now we will be creating a line here so that we will be able to create a line on the center of this figure. So type L, click from this endpoint up to this endpoint, and then type L again, and then select this midpoint and type 1.13. Enter. Again, 1.13 its length. So now we will be able to create two circles onto these two endpoints. So let's click here, click center diameter, and then type 0.375 its diameter. Again, .375, and I will be creating a line from here up to here. So simply type L, and then press and hold shift, and then right click on the mouse and click tangent. Okay, so we're going to connect the line here. We will press and hold shift again, and then right click, and then click tangent. Okay, just click here. So again, L, then press and hold shift, right click, click tangent, and then just click here, right here, go here. And the next thing is we're going to do, type again, we will create a line. So type L, press enter to this quadrant, disconnect right here. So now we will use fillet again. So type F for fillet, then press enter, and then type R for the radius, and then type 0.94, which is radius, press enter. Select the first object and the second. Okay, so we will just connect this one to here. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll create a line here. So type L, enter, click this endpoint or the center of the circle with a length of 1.7. And type 0.56 again, 0.56, disconnect the line from the circle on the side of the circle, and then again we'll create a line and connect this. Okay, let's trim the lines or the excess lines in the figure. So type T, TR for trim, enter. So this line again, Okay, so next we will create a line. Here, right here downward. So just type L from this point and downward. So next we will create a line from here downwards. So type L, press enter, specify the first point, then let's say the line with the length of 0.27, enter. And then create a line to the left with the length of 0.47. Again, create a line to the right with the length of 0.47. Click here, so just connect it and this circle. Again, so we will again create a line to the left, to the right, I mean, to the length of 0.28. Enter. Then again to the right with the length of 0.28. And then we will create a line again with the length of 0.57. Again 0.77. I will be putting the dimensions. So first, just click here because earlier I have managed this. I have made the layers. So just click here, then click. Type L, enter. We will create another line. Press enter. At the midpoint from this midpoint. The next thing we will do is we will create a line, a dash line. So again, let's change the layer properties to hidden. Simply type L. the line is 1.76. We will change the line type, scale, change to 0.01 to make it smaller. Okay, and then again create a small line so that we can put a line here right in the middle. So type L, let's say the line is 0.15, and then let's change the layer properties again, even, and then type L, with the length of 1.76. Again, we will change the properties to the scale of the line to 0.01. And the next thing we're going to do is draw a line, create a line again. Stitch this one 0.01. So first, let's stream the white lines. So now type F for fillet and then enter. Then R radius and type 0.12. the radius. So again, type F for fillet. Fill the radius of 0.8. Again, fillet again, type R and enter again. Okay. And the next thing is we will trim these lines because we will reduce this. So change layer properties to 0. And then again. So let me first erase this. Another line we will create right here. Again. We will trim the excess lines. The next thing we're going to do is dimensions of its corresponding endpoints. So we will change the layer properties again to dimension. So you simply type DIM for dimension and then just click here. Again, this endpoint. type DR for trim. Next, we will get the dimensions of the diameter of the circles. Just click the first radius first. Just click the arc. And then the diameter of the circle. Okay, so now we are finished on our first figure for our third activity in CAT. So let's proceed to the second figure. First, we will create a line connecting from this endpoint, and then we create a line upward to the length of okay, we will create a line with the length of 2.03. We'll create a line to the right side with 1.88 its measurement, and then what we need to do is we will just align the line and then connect up here. So next is create a line again from this endpoint to the right with a measurement of 0.56, and then we will just connect the lines, and then next thing is another line again from this endpoint to the left side with a length of 0.38, and again we connect the line again. And then we will create a line from this endpoint upward, the measurement of 0.2956. and then we'll create an underline to the left side or to the left. This type 0.62, which is its length, and then press enter. And then all we need to do is just align this line and then connect it to here. So the next thing we need to do is, again, we will create lines. So just type L, enter, and then click on this endpoint, then upward the length of 0.56. 0.59 rather, enter, and then create a line to the left with a length of 0.70, press enter. The next is we need to create a line downward from this endpoint, and then the length is 0.67, its measurement, and then we need to do is this align this line and then connect. Okay, and now from this endpoint to the left with the length of 0.40. Again, 0.14, enter, and then connect here. Okay, so next thing is we need to create a lines from the midpoint up to here. Okay, and then we need to create circle, center diameter. Just click this and then click with the diameter of 0.375. Type L again for line and then enter. And connect this again. This one. The next to do is create a line again from this endpoint downward with the length of 1.7. create a line again. From here to the left, the measurement of 1.1397. Next is create a line again from this endpoint downward with a length of 0.56. Now let's go. Right. Just create a line again. This endpoint downward. With a length of 1.6. And now, right here, let's connect the lines. And also connect this line on this side. And then next is create a line again. With the length of 2.2525. Press enter. Next is create a line on the type 0.5075 enter, and then let's connect like this. Okay. Okay, so next we will create circles. So you can just simply click here your center diameter, then click this endpoint. You have 0.375, which is its diameter, and then press enter. And then again click here and the center of this circle, then time 1.2 its length. 1.12 rather. The next is click in this quadrant, then to the right time we will create a line with its length of 0.80 or 0.80. Then we connect it. So next we will create that. Before we create an arc, let's first create a line here. 0.2525, then press enter. Okay, so now we will create an arc. You can just simply click here, and then there are many options, but I prefer start and radius. Click on the end point. Just click left click here. With the radius of 1.76. Okay, so next create an arc again. Starting from this up here. The radius of 1.5. Okay, erase. And again, type 1.5. Alright, okay. So next is, first we will draw a line starting from the center of the circle. And now we will create another circle. First, let's go first a line. The length of 0.1875. Draw a circle on this end point. Measurement of 375, enter. Next is, again, we will create the center outside the small circle rather. With a measurement of 1.12. The line and then connect this. Okay. So next one, we will bend the corners of the lines of the two lines by using fillet. So type F, enter, and then R, press enter. Specify radius of 0.12, enter. So first, fresh data like that so that we can use fillet. let's connect again the lines. Again, we will use an delay with 0.1 radius. And we will connect the lines now. Again, delay 0.1 radius. Let me repeat this side. This. So the last thing that we are going to do is we will put the dimensions. Okay, the last thing is we will put dimensions on the lines. So first, click this one and dimension. Yeah. Simply type DIM for dimensions. First, click this endpoint. So this completes our third activity in computer-aided design. Again, I'm Mark at Maranan from BSIE 2204. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.